choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo, choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo. Do you hear that?
Go get some scissors.
Oh, God. Snip.
Do this to yours.
We're doing. Ow, Jesus, these things are pointy as. So how did Mom say we use this?
It's sticky.
Yeah. I've already gotten no sticky. So she said, scoop this up and put it on here.
Yep.
Oh. This is like this. She wants it like this. How is this going to stick to this?
You'll see.
I'll see.
That's mine.
Huh?
This is yours.
Then you can go on. Why did you give me this one? I can't stand these ones.
Because I figured if I'd rather burn the other ones.
Burn the other ones.
What am I doing with you?
I wouldn't mind burning this one. For real. The bugs in my side of my hair. I can feel it moving around. That would bug Destiny. She will run for it. She'll make a run for the hills. Do you know what that looks like? I don't think this was a good idea.
Okay. Now give me some crumbs.
Oh, do we have to use a lot?
I'm gonna try this.
Oh, that's true. Don't stop.
What?
That's the lazy way. Hey, you're hitting mine over here. I think I'm adding too much. Is that how it's supposed to be?
Yes.
Really? Hey, we gotta do more than just one each. Hey, Jess, wait for me!
Those look so great.
Jess. He cannot wait. I guess I might as well do it. Oh, there's sap. I'm gonna use my hands.
That's good.
It's not really sticking to it.
Oh yeah, you might have to add more of the shortening.
It smells like pancakes.
Oh yeah, you might have to add more of the shortening.
Oh no.
Not really sticking to it. Oh yeah, you might have to add more of the shortening.
I don't need any more of this, Destiny.
Not really sticking to it. Oh yeah, you might have to add
Destiny.
more of the shortening.
Take the camera and let's go out. Let's go in the front.
Okay, I'm posting this on Snapchat. Oh yeah, you might have to add more. Okay.
Okay. So let me get a
I
photo.
said take the big camera. Destiny, stop
Okay.
with the...
It's everywhere.
So how about this? Take this bag. Can you guys
That's okay.
just...
They're doing fine.
So what, you want to go this way or like down this
Whatever
way?
they're going to
We're
do.
going to the house.
Okay. So let's take this camera. I know the lighting is probably amazing because the sun is so bright.
Mom, I don't know why you want to feed these birds. They don't deserve it.
Yes, they
And I don't even think they're gonna like it.
Oh, true. I think they will. Yes. Let me get some straw. There we go.
There.
Okay. Two down. How many more to go? There's Justice's to the right.
I don't know.
Okay.
I got the stuff all over my hand. I don't know. I can't smell right now. My nose is clogged.
Actually, no. I got some on my nose.
Huh?
I got some on my nose.
You got some on your nose? Like this? You know, there could have been a better way to do this, probably. What are you doing? All I heard was pop. Oh, no. You know what I just did? I added this without adding the yarn to it. On my own, watch again. Justice left me again. Oh, I did not think this through. I'm just gonna place it in here and tie it. My nose! God dang it, my nose. This is not good. My nose. Oh, I gotta go clean my nose. I just can't do it. That's so much better. Oh. Justice. Justice. How'd you do this?
Huh?
How'd you do this? I think my way is not the right way.
No, it's definitely not, as usual.
What are you talking about? My way is always the right way. I mean, well, that's not what I just said. But, how'd you tie it? You know what? What I'm gonna do? Mine might be different than yours. But, it's still going to work. What are you doing?
I thought it's the hole in my hand.
Uh-huh, me too. See how greasy my hands are? What are you doing? I still need it. I need to use this before you go ham on it.
Here, put some crumbs on here.
After I do it. It's still sharp. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty.
Okay.
Unlike someone I know. No.
Yeah. You're good enough.
There's number 3. What are you doing? You're gonna use...
We're gonna fly it once I get it hung up, but I just wanted to make sure it saves the sticks.
Apply it now.
Alright, let's go. Hang it. Get something else.
1 sec, I have to... Destiny, you're gonna have to get the camera, because I don't know it. My hands. Don't get the camera. I'm going to.
Hold on, Justice, before you hang that, I want to see what that looks like. I got such a short glance.
Hello.
Hello.
But that's too much of a swing for them to get in there.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, that's a little bit of
No,
food.
that's not done yet, Destiny.
He's gonna pour the food in there,
Okay.
so it's gonna stick to the sides.
All right. Okay. Oh, wow. But there were 3
Here.
now.
Hello, gentlemen.
Holding it. This is just not going to work.
I'm so used to talking to you at a moment's notice that I
Mhm.
have to shut up because Aaron's killing me.
Well,
He's getting it on.
well.
I almost wanted to cut this one.
Well, now it's in the wood. Ow, that is just... It's in enough, okay?
I don't want to step on these ant homes. Let me go put some shoes on.
Well, I'm perfectly fine with stepping on them. It doesn't even matter.
Well, remember one time you put your finger in and you said
I
it.
did not put my finger inside the hole.
That's what Justice told me. You put your finger in and it was like, oof.
Should the birds gonna like this? I don't think
But
so.
is all the food just going to fall out?
No. Hello, chili mama. Why you do another one?
Do it properly.
What if you just set it right here?
Destiny.
Well, now the other one's out.
Are those long nails?
Yeah, they are.
It's not working.
Yeah, I think it's because Destiny's recording.
Justice said he doesn't think it's working because I'm recording. So you think the camera is jinxing you? Is that what you think? No, brother.
You know what? That's what I want to do.
Try that.
Now that's cute. Yeah, that's nice.
You can try it like that. You see my hand is covered in grease. Your hands are
Yeah,
covered
yeah,
in grease.
just-
You're gonna break the
Yeah,
container.
I just
I
don't
don't
want
care
you
about
to bang your hand.
You don't care about it anymore. Goddamn it. It didn't work.
I'm like
how
the
you wanted
cautious
it.
older sister.
Yeah.
Don't hurt yourself.
Exactly.
Stephanie, what are you're talking during we're talking? You cannot talk while I am talking.
Yes, I can.
Hold this. Just hold it. Because I'm getting sick of this.
If you hit
Let me
me
go
with the
put on
hammer,
some shoes.
please don't cover them up.
Mom,
No,
can you
okay.
hold this right quick? Since you already have your shoes on.
You can take the shoes.
Just
No.
put it in
No,
straight.
thank you.
You're better at capturing these moments. than I
Okay,
am.
well, Mom. Okay, we're gonna swap. Okay. Thank you.
Now get it in there. But not too much.
Oh,
I told you, if you hit me, I will. Can you not hit the nail? Okay, that's enough.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Because you're
Oh,
hitting. You're
It's
hitting.
all the
You're
way.
hitting everything but the nail.
first comes accuracy, then comes speed.
Destiny.
We got
Yeah.
this. Let's do the other one.
Right away. Why?
Because, Mom.
Oh, that's a stink bug.
Grease is making this 10 times harder, Mom.
Oof, yeah. Feel the grease and do it anyway. Oh, now all these gnats are coming too.
The camera is covered in-
The camera can't see the
stop
gnats, but I
hitting,
sure
Ricky.
can
You
hear
would've
them
just
buzzing in
hit
my
the
ears.
nail.
Do we have oil on? Let me get you.
Oh, wow, okay.
Please turn off the camera now.
No, I'm not turning off the camera because these are great memories, especially for when you're a 50-year-old man and you're seeing how your 17-year-old self was
Why?
on October 12th, 2016.
You know, I'm just bending.
Here.
I'll just get these.
Stop hitting so quickly.
Thank you, Mother. Oh, this is great for swatting the gnats away.
There.
There you go. Oh, yeah, I like that. That was a good idea. How you...
Getting it off.
Jess is here.
Hey, don't touch your clothes.
Jess is... No, you're not going in the house with that.
All my clothes already. Have to turn it.
Come on.
You have to get it.
Taking my clothes off.
Oh, yes, this was a great idea. I see what you guys are doing. Okay.
You know what? I think it's gonna need another nail, and I'm gonna have to do it because Jess is.
Okay, go for it.
Where's the nail?